haven't heard many people talk about this site, so I thought this might be a good one for some of you to try if you are looking for another digital products website or an Etsy alternative, because I know this one actually works to make money. I started uploading to this here digital products website in 2016. I no longer upload here. I have not uploaded anything since 2019, and it took me about 3 years to get just 67 listings uploaded to this site. In total, I've created less than that because many of the things are just listings that I've bundled together. I've not done any social media promotion, no paid advertising or influencers, anything like that. All I've done is upload listings and put relevant keywords in the titles and descriptions. On top of that, about half the things I have uploaded here are now out of date. I've put in labels in the titles to make this clear to buyers, but despite that, I somehow still get sales from this website. Now, obviously, I'm not making a lot of money regularly. I just withdrew my funds last month, but the fact that I'm still getting views and sales from very niche things uploaded here about 5 to 8 years ago shows me that this website has fantastic organic reach. I haven't heard many people talk about this site, so I thought this might be a good one for some of you to try if you are looking for another digital products website or an Etsy alternative, because I know this one actually works to make money. Now, overall, I've made 983 sales on this website, and all my uploads cost from $2 to about $19 or £15 for big bundles, as you can see here. Fortunately, I don't have the data from 3 years ago because it only holds data up to 3 years when it was peaking, but I made a couple $1,000s from this website, so not too bad for 67 uploads. Now, what is this website and what exactly did I upload? Well, this is not a sponsored video, by the way, nor am I an affiliate of this site. It's just a place where I have made some money in the past. But this website is called tez.com/teaching-resources. This is a website for educational resources for all ages, but mostly consumed by teachers. Some students and parents buy things on here as well. And there is a very wide range of things on here. You don't have to be a teacher yourself or an expert in like high school maths or science to upload things to this site. For example, you can see here that this here phonics ebook, which is something that could be designed in Illustrator or an even simpler version in Canva, has 36 reviews. So about 1 in 10 people review on in general. So if we're conservative and we say around 300 sales, then this listing has probably made over $1,000. Again, this here other listing, which is a PDF that could be designed with such software and has similar kinds of stats as the previous one. And this PowerPoint here with a music quiz on it for sort of middle school aged children that you could make something similar on Google Slides if you don't have PowerPoint. Again, this has clearly sold a couple of times. Now, if we look under the popular resources tab for today, these are not like extremely complicated things like A-level physics, high school physics exercises or anything like that. These are just kids' activities that most people with a decent understanding of graphic design and English could make. So you can see here that the types of activities on here that actually get sales don't have to be made by teachers with very specialist subject knowledge. They just have to be high quality and actually useful to teachers in the classroom, because you do get reviews that are public and obviously you don't want too many negative reviews. Now, for me personally, this is where I uploaded my revision notes after my middle school and high school exams in the UK. We call them GCSEs and A-levels. The things that I uploaded were mostly science subjects, so my biology and chemistry revision notes and a few maths things here and there. These are generally higher demand, with this website being focused around the UK and Australian curriculum. So, if you are or have been a student in these two countries and you have leftover revision notes from your school days, then this is perfect for you. But even if you're not, then as I just showed you here, there are a lot of different types of graphic design downloadable educational resources that you can aim towards the younger years or something not so specialized for earlier years, special needs students, and just fun general classroom sort of printable activity handouts that you can create and sell on this website. Now, tez.com overall gets around 3.6 million visits per month. Of course, that's for the entire site, where they offer a lot more things, so the teaching resources division of that may get a little less, but still millions of visitors per month. Now, that may not sound like a lot compared to other marketplaces, but obviously it's a niche educational website, and at this moment there's less than 1 million listings on here in total, which If you've ever tried to sell anything on Etsy, you'll know that is not a lot. It can be up to like 2-3 million listings just for one keyword on Etsy, right? So much less competition. If you are a teacher or student, or you were particularly good at a subject at school, then this is definitely an advantage that you'll have as well. And according to them, they have 19 million users and up to 1.3 million resources downloaded every week, a very large portion of which are paid resources by authors. Part of where they get their organic reach as well is from Google. You can see that they index individual shops in search results. But to be honest, I must say that they used to be a lot higher ranking. I remember sort of searching basic keywords and being able to find TES pages on the first page of Google a few years ago. Nowadays, they're outranked pretty easily by all sorts of other similar websites, but still, this website is a very much a known go-to search engine in itself for teachers to find things so that they don't have to sit there and make resources for an entire lesson by themselves. In terms of what you'll get paid, there's 3 payment tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. At one point I was in silver, but now I have obviously decayed to bronze because I haven't uploaded anything. So you go from keeping about 60% to 70 to 80% of the revenue you make, the more sales that you make. To become a TES author, you can go to tes.com/teaching-resources/become-an-author. Click upload now, and it should take you to a registration page where you can make an account. Now, as far as I know, there's no sort of approval. You don't have to go through any of that. You can just upload freely. But obviously, before you upload, make sure you check out these guidelines. That should be on the same page, so you don't get kicked off the platform or you get loads of negative reviews. If you want to find out about another digital products website that I've made money on, which is not Etsy, then you can click on this video on screen right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.